Welcome to our exploration of the rule of law and parliamentary sovereignty. These concepts form the bedrock of the UK's legal system. Understanding them is crucial for grasping how laws are made and applied. In this video, we'll delve into their meanings, implications, and real-world applications. Join us as we uncover the intricacies of these fundamental principles. The rule of law is a cornerstone of democratic societies. It ensures that no individual is above the law, and everyone is accountable to it. This principle promotes fairness and equality before the law. It also prevents the arbitrary use of power by the government. Let's explore how the rule of law operates in practice. ATHE, a renowned constitutional theorist, outlined 3 principles of the rule of law. First, no one can be punished except for a breach of law. Second, everyone is equal before the law. Third, the law must be applied fairly and transparently. These principles guide the functioning of the legal system.
Parliamentary sovereignty is a key concept in the UK's constitutional framework. It means that Parliament has the ultimate legal authority. It can create or end any law without being overridden by other institutions. This principle underscores the supremacy of Parliament in the legislative process.
The UK operates under an unwritten constitution, relying on parliamentary sovereignty. This allows for flexibility in governance. However, it also means that the constitution is not codified in a single document. Understanding this framework is essential for comprehending the UK's legal system. The Human Rights Act 1998 significantly influenced the rule of law in the UK. It incorporated the European Convention on Human Rights into domestic law. This act ensures that public authorities respect and protect human rights. It has transformed how rights are upheld in the UK. Human rights affect various aspects of daily life. They include the right to life, freedom from slavery, and freedom of expression. These rights ensure individual freedoms and protections. The Human Rights Act 1998 plays a crucial role in safeguarding these rights. Let's see how these rights impact our lives.
The royal prerogative is a set of customary powers held by the Crown. These powers have evolved over time and are now exercised by government ministers. The prerogative includes powers like appointing ministers and signing treaties. Understanding the royal prerogative is key to grasping the UK's governance.
The royal prerogative has its roots in the UK's monarchical history. Historically, it granted extensive powers to the monarchy. Over time, these powers have been curtailed by Parliament. This evolution reflects the shift towards a constitutional monarchy.
The royal prerogative has faced challenges from Parliament over the years. Key cases have tested its limits and scope. These challenges highlight the ongoing balance of power between the monarchy and Parliament. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for comprehending the UK's legal framework.
The rule of law often conflicts with the royal prerogative. The rule of law emphasizes accountability and equality. In contrast, the prerogative involves powers not derived from legislation. This tension highlights the complexities within the UK's legal system. Constitutional conventions play a significant role in the UK's legal system. They are unwritten rules that guide political practices. These conventions complement the rule of law and parliamentary sovereignty. Understanding them is key to grasping the UK's governance.
There are ongoing debates about codifying the UK's constitution. Some argue it would provide clarity and consistency. Others believe flexibility is essential for adapting to change. These debates reflect differing views on how the UK's legal system should evolve.
While parliamentary sovereignty is fundamental, it has limits. Courts have increasingly recognized the need to protect civil liberties. This has led to judicial review of parliamentary actions. These developments reflect the dynamic nature of the UK's legal system.
Judicial review is a process where courts examine the lawfulness of government actions. It ensures that public authorities do not exceed their powers. This mechanism protects citizens' rights and upholds the rule of law. Let's explore how judicial review functions in practice.
Judicial independence is crucial for a fair legal system. It ensures that judges can make decisions free from political influence. This independence is a cornerstone of the rule of law. It allows for impartial adjudication of legal disputes. The UK's membership in the European Union influenced its legal system. EU laws and principles have been integrated into UK law. This influence extends to human rights and judicial practices. Understanding this impact is essential for comprehending the UK's legal framework.
The Human Rights Act 1998 has enhanced judicial power in the UK. It allows courts to review legislation for compatibility with human rights. This has strengthened the role of the judiciary in protecting individual rights. Let's see how this act has changed the legal landscape.
The relationship between the executive and judiciary is complex. At times, the executive seeks to limit judicial power. This tension reflects the balance of power within the government. Understanding this relationship is key to grasping the UK's legal dynamics.
Anti-terrorism laws have affected civil liberties in the UK. These laws grant extensive powers to the executive. They also raise concerns about the balance between security and freedom. Let's examine the impact of these laws on individual rights.
Correct. The House of Lords plays a crucial role in the UK's legislative process. It reviews and revises proposed legislation. This chamber acts as a check on the House of Commons. Understanding its role is essential for comprehending the UK's parliamentary system. The future of parliamentary sovereignty is a topic of debate. Some advocate for reforms to enhance accountability. Others emphasize the importance of maintaining traditional principles. These discussions shape the evolution of the UK's legal framework.
Natural law and positive law offer different perspectives on legality. Natural law is based on inherent moral principles. Positive law is enacted by governments and institutions. Understanding these theories provides insight into legal philosophy.
In conclusion, the rule of law and parliamentary sovereignty are fundamental to the UK's legal system. They shape how laws are made, interpreted, and applied. Understanding these principles is essential for grasping the complexities of governance. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of UK law.
Thank you for watching our video on the rule of law and parliamentary sovereignty. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of law.